Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the Wi-Fi problem in your device POCO F4 5G. So if in this device POCO F4 5G you are having any problem related to the Wi-Fi, like your Wi-Fi is not working or not connecting or any other problem, you can fix it by the methods I will tell you. You have to follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the Wi-Fi issue in your device. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's watch the video.